What is up, everyone? Captain Shoes back at Dairy Queen. I love this place and I come back a lot, and this time it was because they invited me. Full disclosure, Dairy Queen slid into my DM, said, "Hey Captain Shoes, we like your videos. Why don't you come try out this caramel drumstick blizzard? It's on us." So they gave me a caramel drumstick blizzard, and I'm gonna try it out right now for each and every one of you. But before we get started, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, get down in the comments, tell me if you've had that caramel drumstick blizzard or any other blizzard you think I should be having. It's a limited time only. I can't wait to get started. Let's do it. Drumstick is a great ice cream. It's not something I would have a lot. Sometimes I get one at my friend's house, or you'd be at like a picnic or some like a baseball game or something. They'd be like, "Oh, have this drumstick." So we've got the blizzard right here. A bunch of stuff you can see, peanuts and chocolate and gooey stuff. Oh my, let's go. Let's dig into this. I'm really liking this. I'm really liking this because where Dairy Queen has been coming through with everything I've had lately, I'm getting all the flavors in every scoop. I love that. I've got the chocolate, I've got the peanuts, the caramel, everything coming through. It is really good. This is something for a limited time only. I may have to make a return trip to get another one of these before it goes out off the menu. And one of the best things, as we go on, as we dig, as we get closer to the bottom, there's still a copious amount of stuff in every scoop. I mean, this thing is really good. I'm really impressed. Thank you, Dairy Queen, for the invite. Thank you for encouraging me to try this one out. Caramel drumstick blizzard, really good. I mean, everything is right there. I would definitely have this again, and I probably will try to have this again while it's still on your menu before it comes off. Like I said, it's a limited time only menu item, but I'm gonna throw this one up as a quadruple main man, 4 stars. Awesome. Every scoop, plenty of stuff. And the key to the blizzard, the key to a good blizzard, is making sure there's plenty of stuff in every scoop, and that's what they've given me here. And it all works very well. So thank you, Dairy Queen, and thank you everyone for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, get down in the comments if you've had it. Let me know what you thought. Caramel drumstick blizzard right here, baby. Dairy Queen. Can't wait to do this again. Until next time, friends.